So, nag-spatsirin gin mi guys, or nag-walking. A German, kuan yun eh. Nga ni mga German, mag-walking. Oh, kuyog ng duha. Ang tulo ka baktin. Nami dire sa, dool ni sa mua guys, walking area. Tapos mga balay dito. Gituyog yun na mo nilipot para dugay na may wala ka walking. Dugay na kami hindi naka walking ba. So mo ni, nag-walking mi. Nindot ang kuan ron kay dili tugnaw, dili pod warm. Fresh lang. Life update. Ano ninyo kung itsura? Baby, can you tell me what do I look like? Tell me. It's already on. What do I look like? Look, sis, look.
Gangsta.
And I walk to the valley in the shadow.
Uh-oh.
Nature. Do, lakaw me. Gilibot na namo niya mong area diri. Yeah, so many kaki here. Go there, Francis. Let Francis. Yeah, you go this way. Let Ate Ayla try. Yeah. So do it. Francis, not in the. So. Ang duha nagtagad. Oops. So, now yeah, that's like a drum. Yeah.
Devil is mama.
Yeah.
Ah, they're ready.
So, is it? Yeah, I will push you. Push man ko ani di ay. Sus Ginoo ko si Francis kay wala kayo energy. Kailangan ni may push. Ang taon. Ang among. Francis, should I push you?
Yeah.
Yeah? So, push man ko ani ay. So, hold yourself. Sway. Dry. Fear. Nag-walking me guys. Naamo ning na-discover na. Stop? Yeah, stop. Na-discover na mo ni na. Yeah. Na-discover na mo ni na playground. Nag-walking rami. Tapos, let Ate Ella too. Si Francis, dili siya mo sakay ato kaya di siya ka-balance. Direta magduyan-duyan. Francis. Go! Na? Awa lagi?
Yeah, not talking.
Yeah! Nahimo na tang bata. Langsam? But I don't fit. That's why I am like this. Cook. Nangasamok na. Nangasamok na sila dong. Nangasamok sila dong. Kay kinsay mong sakay dong. You cannot. Si Francine. Ay, ginoo ko. Nami, new na discover place, guys. Nami, new place na discover. Kami, Francis. Ako, dianduyan lang ko dire. Dili man. Ganan ko. Ako, ani magdianduyan.
Wait, you stop there.
Duyan lang ko. Ani. Nag-away. Nag-away na silang duha kay...
Listen.
Nang...
Come, let's go together.
Samok na silang duha. Kay gusto mo na kay.
Wait there and I'll wait here. And then I'm there. You go with this right? Wait. Come. Wait.
Francine!
Let me go. You already pushed me away. You need to go away.
Si Francis.
Do that. Push me.
Yeah, slide, Francis. Nag-slide si Francis. Ako lingkod-lingkod lang ko dire. Yung papa nag-cellphone na dito. Oh. Nila ni guys, ang kinabuhi dire. Off man gud ng duhang franc ron. So, mo nang nakapaglagla. Nag-hiking mi, nag-walking. Mo ni. Ana oh. Dali ra gud ni. Yeah, come. Vida. Vaita, Francis. Vaita. Are you afraid? Oh. Kani si Francis. Hadlukanon man gud ni. Hadlukanon si Francine. May pinaka-fearless. Francine. 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 You go. Push you. Tao niya. He needs
I can make 1, 2 times.
yeah.
He's not doing anything.
Last.
Oh,
Last.
can we go after that?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Fun.
I need to go
Fancy. Okay. Okay. Sus. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Shh. Francis is like, really like father, like son.
But actually, take that toy China in this.
No, I want McDonald's. You're really hungry na. Humag-hiking, abot ng McDonald's.
Spider-Man.
Hanging on something.
Why are you drinking my cola? Can I have it back?
That was Sharon and Karen.
Look here, Francine.
Give it back.
You're drinking it fast.
Oh, sorry.
Don't drink it anymore. Look here. Show me your hat. What does it say? Be feely lazy mouses is too.
Oh, we feel a little more. Here, I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Cellphone. Cellphone.
Mama, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 again. Okay, 5, please.
Yeah, I know. Wait, because she's gonna bilang by lady. Now she cannot open the door. Francine!